This is the COVID-19 county information bot built primarily focused for the United States using Integromat's data application that they've made available for free through their tools. However, I want to walk you through how we implemented this in ManyChat so you could understand it, and if you needed to implement this, bring this template into your bot or another thing that you're providing for your community, you can do so with some level of explanation. It's a relatively simple bot with some fail-safes built in, and what we're doing is, in essence, we have a ref URL that brings people in, and then that ref URL adds a counter to it, and all that primarily does is lets us know that if somebody came in a second time versus a first time, and we can treat them accordingly. If this is their first time coming in, we're going to clear a couple fields in case they came in and tested some other things. We're going to ask them what's their US state. We're going to need full spelling of that US state. This is a note that we added in during testing. If you have a state with a large number of counties, little known fact, a lot of states have a lot of county. Texas has 254 counties. We did acknowledge in the bot design that this could occur, so this is built in, and you'll see that when we dig into the integration. But as soon as that information we get about the state, we're going to now send it off to an external request that is Integromat that we'll cover in part 2. If they just want their county, we're still going to ask them for their state because we need to have a state to filter down counties, because a lot of people don't know this, but there are counties in states that are similar to county names in other states. So we need the filter from one state down to the county, right? So we're going to ask the questions and then ask for the county without the word county in it, and then send that off to the same flow in Integromat. They came in a second time. I just make sure if they've already gone in and put in a state, I ask them whether or not they want to use that state again. If they want to use that state again, then we'll keep it and we'll use it to filter down to their county. If they want to use another state in the United States, then we'll allow them to reset it and add it and then go through the whole county filtering process. And that's the bot. This template is free and available for download. If you're seeing this as part of a Facebook group, it's available in the comments below this video. If you're seeing it somewhere else, there'll be a link below with directions telling you what you need to do to get your hands on the template. Thanks a lot.